Hi, my name's Tommy, and I'm the author of the book of Explorational Journeys and part one in the self help guide. We're continuing on with courage is about letting go of fear, and we're on to our second page now, which is building courage. So, with activity three, it's courage diary. Goal: track moments of bravery in your daily life. Steps: start a journal to document small actions of courage each day. For example, speaking up, trying something new. Step 2: reflect on how these moments make you feel. Step 3: celebrate your progress at the end of each day. Reflection: how does small actions of courage build your confidence over time? So building courage is very important for all different aspects, and it also connects with your inner child. So please don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and hope to hear from you soon.